action.
We've got this new saw that we made this winter and getting ready to cut a rock. We need to cut a groove into the stone kind of flat because it needs to have a flat spot wider than this, or if it's a sharp edge that'll get caught and rip the teeth off. So when it gets going, we've got to come along here. We'll just slowly lower the blade onto that so it cuts nice and even. We got to lower this down a little bit, so we're going to lower this down to get the rest of the rock out, or the pin in so it doesn't fall out on us. We're going to lower it down again like we did the first time. We had to lower the power head, so here we go.
Take note of the shim and support rope.
We're done. There we go. That came out pretty nice and pretty.